All right, to put these lights on here, splitters explained, and there they are. Pops. That's his older brother. Splitters. In case you want to get more lights, more bang for your buck. In this case, as my last video showed, we've got new installations here, which will be snipping off of the 4 wires. So I got 4 wires coming off of the controller, which is in here underneath. One is split with a splitter, which leaves one open because there's four lights. Now I've got one open right here. This goes all the way to the back and kind of ties in up right there, and then neatly gets tucked away underneath this hood. And then, well, there's your splitter. There's one splitter, which gives me one light anywhere. There's the second splitter, which gives me a third light and a 4th light and a 5th light. Just by splitting one wire that goes back from the controller box. Again, I hooked it up same way as last time, only I grounded it to the screw versus the heavy screw, which they seem to have I don't know, tied more stuff to it, so I don't want to electrocute myself. So it's there, it's fine, it works fine. Yep. Same as usual. So anyway, back to this part. You can put it, for instance, if you've got like this type of hood, you can put it there, or you can put one there, or you can put one right in there, which is probably what I'm going to do. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the top just yet. Anyway, that's splitters explained. Good luck, guys. Any questions, let me know. See you.